Welcome to this tutorial. First, in a series, helping you to create a complete video from start to finish. We will start with a script separated into separate scenes. One thing to be careful here, be sure to separate your script into separate scenes. If you just paste a script that is separated into small paragraph-style blocks of text, it will all be treated as one scene, and no storyboard will be produced in the third step. Just a little heads up. It may seem an obvious detail to most, but not everyone. We now head over to our next step. Open your Google Flow account and head over to the icons on the left. Hover your mouse over to the last square icon from the top. It should display a tools description when the mouse is hovered over it. Click on it to head to a new page. On the top of this page are three options. Choose the Templates option. Now head over to the different selections on the page. Look for Storyboard Studio. Once you find it, click on it and you will open a Welcome to Story Studio page where you can choose a style before clicking on the Get Started button. You can now paste your script here before clicking on moving on to Step 2, Assets. This is where the magic begins. This second step is where every visual needed to bring your script to life is generated. AI generation is done in three categories: create your characters, locations, and props. This is simply done by clicking on the autofill buttons on the right for each category. Just look at that, we got our characters generated. Now on to locations. Now that we got locations, we can now move on to the final autofill category of props. Now that we got all of our reference images, we are ready to go into the third step. The storyboard has loaded 6 blank shots. You can increase the amount of shots as needed if the need arises. Maximum of 20 frames allowed. You get 20 image generations with Nano Banana 2. You can also choose to save the story to your computer as a JSON file. There may be some bad image generations. This is okay and expected. You can fix that in the next step. Name your project, save your story, and then click Done. Once you click Done, you will return back to the home screen. Hover your mouse to the top left at the top icon that reads All Media when you hover your mouse over it. Click it. You will have a new page with all the images to get you started on the left, with description and options for each image on the right. You can choose to download, animate, or use the image prompt by clicking the 3 dots on the image. Here you can generate as many videos as credits will allow. You will still be able to create 20 Nano Banana 2 images per day. You get 50 credits per day. This is good for about 5 videos up to 8 seconds for about 10 credits each, depending on what image generation model you choose. This is where patience pays off. This is about a week to generate a 3-minute plus video for free. No watermarks on Veil models. OmniFlash uses more credits and includes a watermark on free tier. My preference from experience is 6-second videos with Veil light. Any longer and generations tend to show anomalies and weird artifacts that AI is known for. Not all the time, but enough where it can get annoying, especially if limited on the number of generations one can create per day. That is it for now. Hope this gets you started and gets your feet wet and gives the opportunity to see the potential of what is possible. Catch you on the next one.